Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you are new, we are going to be highlighting my hair with the ESALON Light Set. This is episode 2. Episode 1 is when I did my roots, and what I did was I took my roots from a dark brown to a medium brown. That way I just had like a nicer blend with the rest of my hair. My hair really lightened up over the summer, and so there was just quite a difference between just like the natural highlights that I had developed. And of course I will link up here the video for doing my roots where I changed them from dark brown to light brown. So you can check out that video. This isn't just my first time highlighting with ESALON, this is my first time highlighting, period. I'm a freaking noob to this, so wish me luck. Basically, you select what your hair color is now approximately, and then it gives you a kit based on that. And then there is a range of what your results will be. So I picked the medium brown hair. It basically gives me a range of results that my hair will go from my medium brown to a light brown to all the way down to light brown, dark blonde to like kind of a dark medium blonde. So I've been doing a lot of research, really trying to figure out how to not screw this up. I don't know if you'll be able to read this on the screen or not, but it is the highlights for light to medium brunettes. And it gives me an activator of 6, and then it also came with the lightener, a toning mask. They also give you a highlight shampoo. We've got my activator, and they even give you a tray to use. I'm probably gonna go for using my bowl. This tray is like really narrow. They do send you a brush with it. Along with my kit, I did go ahead and purchase additionally the tint rinse. And I got it in the booster purple. This will be good for even when I'm brunette, but it'll also help with the highlights. And so it's something that you can just use like once or twice a week, but that's separate from the light set kit. Okay, so now I'm going to read the instructions just to make sure that I get this super, super correct. They sent a product safety and usage little, disclaimers. I'm not reading that. I have church in the morning, so there'll be no hiding. That's how confident I am that this will be okay. So they also send you 2 pairs of gloves always, which is super awesome because they recommend that you also wear the second pair when you get in the shower to kind of like scrub up your head and get any kind of color out. So you just want to get everything really organized out. I'm going to use this comb for sectioning off my hair. Here's the brush. Here I've got a couple of clips that I can choose from to use. I like both types of clips. So then I've got my bowl, and then they say not to do it yet, but then I'm going to mix the activator and the activator and the lightener together in the bowl. And my 1 pair of gloves and the second pair I'm going to set aside, that way they are out of the way. Okay, so now I've got everything set. All right, so I'm gonna start going through the directions step by step and take my rat tail comb that I got from them recently. Divide hair into a horseshoe shape 2 inches above from temple, round the crown, and to secure into a bun. Then divide hair into another horseshoe shape right below the temples. Right below, so here-ish. Securing the middle section into a bun and leaving bottom loosen down. Then put on gloves, pour out all your mixture, lightener, blah, blah, blah. Okay, 2 inches above the temples. So my temple is right here, and I'm gonna go for about here. I like using a rat tail comb because you can get really clean lines. That's pretty secure. Use 2 clips if you're not like having very good luck with that, okay? So now we're gonna go for the other one. And then we'll put that into another section. I think I'll use this guy this time. Keep things really up and out of the way. And so here's what we look like. That part's pretty easy, make sure we are very combed out. Now we're sectioned out and we're gonna start making our mixture. I'm excited. That was really uneventful, wasn't it? There we go. It does also recommend having a damp towel handy, so I'm going to dampen my coloring rag. Time to get the cape on. So I've got my cape on just to keep me protected. Pour out all of your lightener into your activator and mix thoroughly until smooth and creamy. My mixture is all set, and so it says to start with the two little sections right above your ears, and then I'm going to let down that second part just above my ends down here, and then we will start doing the sections there. It says to do between 6 to 8 strips of that second part, and you alternate from left to right or right to left, but you go, when you do one side, you do the other right away. That way they process for the same amount of time. It has recommendations for if you have a center part or if you have a side part. I usually have a pretty close to center part, so I will go with that recommendation. Basically, it's saying to do matching, so that way your sections are the same on both sides. So I think that's it. So we will put this into fast forward. Instructions say, because I have more of a middle part, I want to make sure my sections are even from left to right as far as like how wide they are and everything. So here's the part where you want to be much more precise. Okay, so I just finished my last strip. It says for your center part to do 3 equal strips on both sides, you know, so the instructions might vary depending on your color, your situation, or whatever. So, but my instructions say 30 minutes after the last strip, and to toss all of my leftover mixture, throw out these original gloves, and now I'm just gonna clean up while my timer ticks. Okay, so it's almost time to hop in the shower. So what you're gonna do is they've given you a shampoo. It's a highlight toning shampoo, and they say that there is enough for two shampoos or 2 showers in this one bottle. So after you get your hair really squeaky clean, then it's going to be time to do the toning mask. They say that for short to medium length hair, you should only need maybe about 1/4 to half of the tube, and if you have long hair, you'll need half, maybe the full tube. I think that's probably for thicker hair. I don't have very thick hair, so I'm thinking I'll probably only need half, and then I can save the rest of it for another use another time. So I am going to hop in the shower. Oh, I'm so excited. right, well, it is time to reveal the results, and it is just the very next day, and I've got it styled a little bit. I told you I was going to church, and I did. In fact, actually, when I came downstairs this morning, my husband was like, whoa, your hair looks amazing, you know, and he's telling me today, he's like, oh my gosh, like, it's so cool, I really like it. So what's cool is because I already had some like natural highlights going on, I ended up, you know, with really like multi-dimensional highlighting or biolaging going on. So I'm just kind of playing with it so you can see, like, look how some of it's very blonde looking, and then others is this kind of more of a lighter brown shade. And yeah, it's got kind of crazy with the waver today, but I mean, look at that. It's not like full sun right now, but I think there's still enough that you can see kind of what's going on. I couldn't be happier with it. I really thought it was super easy. I did find like one place where I kind of made a little bit of a mistake where I didn't really feather and do a steep enough of an angle towards my roots, and so it's kind of like a little bit blunt, but fortunately it's hidden enough that it's underneath, and I can just fix it next time that I do the light kit, and it'll be okay for now. So yeah, you guys, look at this. I mean, I went from a girl who always had just one color hair everywhere, period. That was it. It was all brown all the time, to now having like colorful hair. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I freaking love it. So I'm still a little bit darker underneath, which I really like. I love it. I couldn't be happier with it. I thought it was super easy. And then having just that experience now will make next time way better, way easier. And I can't wait. It's gonna be really exciting. So that is that. That is how it ended up. And if you enjoy it and you want to give it a go, the link will be down in the description box that you can use to get yours. When you add it to your subscription, you're for like auto renewing to like your root section, it's only $14, you guys. And it gave you all of those supplies, like the brush, the little tray, you know, like everything that you can need. So what a deal, right? What a deal. Look at how blonde some of this looks. Oh. And then what else you can do is, if you don't want to use the light set every single time, you can still get that deal on it, and you can set how frequently you receive the light set with your root set. So you can do every other time, or you can push it out to the next time, so you can keep that discounted price, but not have to get it every single time. So there you go. That's the secret on how to do that. And that is going to wrap up the video. Whew. Look at that. Balayage on the cheap at home with salon quality products. No cheap box dye junk. Boom. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss any of my future videos. I do videos every Wednesday and Friday, beauty and weight loss related. So, oh, look how dirty my truck is. Ah! All right. Until next time, stay well, stay blessed.